Welcome to Meridian Park, Meridian Boulevard, Fairmont Scheme, Lekki Scheme 2, Okunagha. This plot is available in 500 and 300 square meters. 500 square meters go for 21 million naira, while 300 square meters goes for 12.6 million naira. 500 square meter goes for 21 million naira. 300 square meter goes for 12.6 million naira. This estate is hot and it's fast selling because it is just 2 minutes away from Lekki Epe Road and 10 minutes away from Novari Mall, which is the ShopRite. It is 10 minutes away from Artican Beach and 5 minutes away from Banks. So it is accessible to you from all corners. 10 minutes away from Lagos Business School, 3 minutes drive from Abraham Adesoya. And all the fantastic, sites and locations around here. Meridian Boulevard has a fully paid C of O. It is government allocation. It has been allocated and fully paid for. You can see the environment is awesome. It is developing very fast, and it's important that if you're looking to invest in real estate, this is the place to look out for. This place will be selling for 30 million, 40 million in the number of 1 or 2 years from now. So I encourage you to consider an investment at the Meridian Park. Look at security, look at current development going on over there. So I welcome you home to the Meridian Boulevard. It's a place where a lot of young people and even families are buying into. If you need a place like this, just call me on 080-690-22940, or you follow us on Instagram at HighYourTheRealtor. Thank you very much.